As you can see, following my 2-hour extravaganza last night, I have now got everything in the case correctly, although that's ever so slightly off, but it's fine. Everything is in. On reflection, it was a really fun build. So 2 hours. It's definitely easy. It's just you've got to get the positioning right of those resistors initially, and that switch. The USB needs to be pushed out. The case is a real flaff, but everything else fits perfectly, and it's forgiving if you're slightly off. You have the Allen key to keep the case together, and that was a doddle to put on as well. So anyway, so this is just a quick demo of the Bastl Kastle Drum, because I have no idea what I'm doing. So this isn't for me, but this is I need to try it because I had a quick play last night and it was fun. So let me just, I've got this, obviously it's going through, there's no volume on this, so you need to put it through some kind of attenuator. I've got it into just one of my mixers, recording this with my audio separately on my Zoom. If I just turn this up, so at the moment bit of noise coming through, but the key thing you have to do, so you have noises, clock and LFO, and you can't break this. It says in the instructions you can put inputs to inputs, outputs to outputs. You won't break it, so just literally miss about. You've got the tempo mod, pitch mod and drum modulation that can be modulated here with either the noise, clock or the LFO. So if I just let's use the clock, put the clock to the triggering of the drum mod. Already, depending on which, I guess, from 0 to 12, whatever it is. It doesn't take long to get a really glitchy, cool drum sound. Get a really cool kick. I haven't tried the inputs yet, but I assume it's just, I think the instruction is 0 to 5, 3 to 5 volts maybe. I forget what it is, but I'm sure anything will trigger it. Yeah, triggering is detecting 3 voltage zones between 0 and 5 volts. So depending on how much voltage you give it, will have an impact. So yeah, further instructions to be read, but I haven't done that yet. So LFO, let's see what the envelope is doing on the pitch modulation, which is this one. Cool. I don't know if I'm assuming the external triggers the tempo, so you can vary the. At the moment, the LFO in my head, this is the tempo. Although, don't know what else you can do with that. Yeah, that's cool. So noises, don't know what they do. Noises go into, what's the pattern? No, is the pattern going to be an output? Put the pattern into tempo mode. That messes with the tempo. Let's do both of that and the clock into the drum mod. Cool. You don't need many adjustments to really change everything drastically. You could, blimey, you could spend days on this. What else? So turn the noises into that one as well. It's pitch mod. The drum mod seems to be the coolest. Everything's modulating the drum modulation, so. Start again. LFO into the drum mod. And the clock into the pitch mod. I'm not sure what this drum one does. I think it something to do with there's 8 drums. I don't know, 8 drums? And the drum mod changes the pattern with the drum mod and that, I don't know. I'm not sure if there's an algorithm that you're kind of tweaking. Anyway, this was just going to be a quick video just to show that it works. Arrived yesterday, 2 hours to build, and hours of fun. And I guess if you've got other... I've not even thought about anything else, but you know, you could... I've got the oh, what's the new name? Freaq FM. But that'd be cool paired with this. Put the link in the description, I'm sure. Anyway, you get the idea. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And yeah, this was not 90 quid. Definitely a bargain if you're up for the soldering. And look at that. That much soldering left. So that much solder left. That was the perfect amount. So I definitely used too much on some of them. So take care. Thanks so much. And catch you next time. Bye.